On a sunny day, quick, 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 lived a tiny chick named Mimi Chick. Boop, boop. Then came a sound, H-I-C, H-I-C. She tried to walk, H-I-C, H-I-C. She tried to talk, H-I-C, so quick. She tried to sing a happy song, but hiccups bounced all day long. Drink some water, Froggy said. She drank it fast till hiccups spread. Hold your breath, said Turtle slow. She held it tight, but no, no, no. Cat flipped upside down, monkey cried. Mimi flipped and Spinny tried. H-I-C, Hi-C, Hi-C. Oh, what a day. Then Grandma Hen came walking near. Come here, Mimi, don't you fear. She leaned in close and softly said, "Boo." Mimi blinked, the hiccups gone. She laughed and chirped, I'm back to fun. Sometimes a surprise, small and quick, can stop a silly